TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's Monday, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. 3 hours left to go in the trading day after the long holiday for Thanksgiving. And we got the markets in positive territory, but off of the highs. Dow Jones up 209 points, trading at 24,495. We were about 150 points higher at one point in the Dow. S&P's up 27 points, trading at 2657. Again, we're higher on the S&Ps. And NASDAQ up 83 points, or more than a full percent, trading at 7,022. We have the oil contract up $1.26, trading at 51.68. That was flirting around the $50 mark. We have gold basically flat at 12.22. Gold had been as high as about 12.29. And we have notes and bonds slightly lower in price, higher in yield. 10-year note off 4 ticks at 119.05. 30-year bond off 7 ticks at 139.25. Let's jump over to some of the futures markets. We'll start it off with the Dow. So as I had said, we're in positive territory, but pretty much an acceleration from the opening bell. We take off, and we're now right back to where we were at the opening bell, trading 24,482, whereas high in the Dow of 24,662. So you're talking about 180 points off the high. NASDAQ 100, again, pretty similar story, right back where we were around the opening bell. Dipped below 6,600 for a brief moment about a half hour ago, currently trading at 6,619. S&P 500 trading at 2657. We're up there at 2671 was the high previously at around 10 a.m. and again basically almost at 11. Crude oil bouncing around a bit, climbed above $52 at one point, currently trading at $51.80 for the price of January crude. Gold contract basically flat on the session, but made it as high as almost $12.29, pulling back from most of the trading morning, $12.2255. And Bitcoin with some volatility to the downside. Putting this is a 5-minute chart now, putting it on a daily, really get a glimpse of where that thing just fell off the cliff. Going back all the way to June, we had been around holding that 6,000 price point, and just in the last, that's November 14th. Today's the 26th. 12 days. You go from 6,300 down to 3,700. It was as low as, I believe, 3,200 over the weekend. In terms of news out there in the market, you have GM potentially closing 5 factories, reducing their workforce by somewhere between 10 to 15,000 workers. GM shareholders liking that news as they're trimming back, focusing on electric vehicles. You had GM spiking on that news, initially down, but much higher now, up more than 5%, trading at 37.87. Stay tuned. We got our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now with the Trader's Edge, then David White, Tom O'Brien this afternoon. Have a great Monday, everybody.